Hi, Sam. Are you going to have your picture taken? Hi. Are you going to have your picture taken?
Hi, Sam.
Getting ready? Well, look at all the pretty pictures in here. Are you going to be one of those? Mel, look over here. Is there a way to take a picture with this? Like a photograph, like Mike's does?
Let's get your socks on. Your shoes. Never mind.
Is it okay if we just like Yeah.
Excuse me. What are we gonna do with you? Excuse me.
Oh, come here.
You can't sit up. Grab the lamb. I am here. Come here. Hey, Abby. Front to back. Okay. Just scoop them.
Okay.
So
Did you bring a blanket? No, I didn't. You didn't? No.
Was she supposed to?
Come on. Come on, you guys at home.
What's that? What about?
Well, we didn't know we were supposed to do that.
I put the blanket over it and I put flowers and stuff around it because he's so little. But
They're getting it all set up for you, big boy. You're going to have lace behind you.
lamb. Lamb in there. Here, she takes the front legs and the back legs. Grab them together like that.
Mel.
Good.
Hi, Sam.
I need flowers. I need flowers back there or somewhere. I want some flowers. Here. Oh, such a good little boy. Such a good little boy. Such a good little boy. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, Daddy's gonna like that.
That is awesome.
Brrr. Now we just gotta get the silly lamb. Silly, silly lamb. Silly, silly lamb.
Ready?
Come on, yeah. Brrr.
That lamb likes those flowers.
Yeah, I wish you would go on and nibble on the baby.
Then it would work better. I can't imagine doing it with a live animal.
So darling.
So stressed out by
Are you
that.
nibbling on the baby?
Yes, head up on the lamb. Head up on the lamb. Brrr.
Sammy!
Stand up, Mom. So
Sammy.
yeah. Sammy, Sammy, Sammy.
Sammy. Sammy. It's like just staring around like, what is this?
Sammy.